Okay, for the first question, it says write an equation to represent the tape diagram below. When you look at this tape diagram, you can see that 17 is what everything's equal to. So I'm going to put that on one side of the equal sign. And then I have the 12 and the question mark next to each other. That means that we're adding them together. So the equation would be 12 plus question mark. Or you can put 17 equals 12 plus x. There are other equations that could also work. That includes subtraction and addition that you can look at on the slides that we projected on the front board. For number 2, it says write each equation under one of the two tape diagrams. So there's a list of equations, and then underneath I have these two tape diagrams. The one on the left has the 4 next to the x. That tells me that this is going to be some kind of addition or subtraction. And then the other one has the x over and over again. That means it's some kind of multiplication or division. So I'm just going to kind of put these together now. So letter A is x plus 4 equals 12. That's the first tape diagram because I'm adding the x and the 4. B is 4 times x equals 12. That's definitely this one on the right. Letter C puts the 12 and the 4x on other sides of the equal sign, but that's still going to be for the same tape diagram. They still mean the same thing. Letter D does the same thing for A, so that's also going to be in that space. Letter E says x equals 12 minus 4. If I take this 4 away from the 12, it will give me what's left over from the x, so E works. F says x equals 12 divided by 4. If I take 12 and I break it into 4 pieces, that's what would also give me the x, so F works on the right side here. G is a little tricky because it has addition, but it's adding the x over and over again 4 times. That's why this one goes under the same tape diagram as the one with multiplication.